Laminate and Ply furniture board gives you the ability to create mitre joints on cover panels. The lines within the ply frame the cupboard and give a pleasing, uninterrupted line around the outside. Once you have the external dimension of the cover panel, add 2 mm to allow for a tolerance on the cut edge. Set the saw to 45 degrees and place the track 2 mm in from the edge. Make the first cut to a depth of 10 mm. The second cut needs to be set at 20 mm, as the geometry of the angle increases the cut face to 28 mm. This is because Pythagoras' formula states that the sum of the areas of the two squares on the short sides equals the area of the square on the hypotenuse. The stability of the product means the mitre edge is razor sharp, so please wear gloves when handling the edge before it is secured in place.